Greetings everyone. How are you guys? I hope you guys are good. I'm good, guys. Welcome to the platform, the Labor Lens, and another episode. Please remember to subscribe to the platform. Today we are talking a new batch of labor law amendments. Right? There's a new batch, right, of labor law amendments that has been released. So we are doing the video to ensure that we familiarize ourselves with those ones, and we make sure that we are updated, we are up to date with the new amendments, right, to ensure that we are all comply with the labor laws of this country, right? Okay, guys, let's get to it. Following negotiations on substantive labor law reforms between organized business, organized labor, and government at the National Economic Development and Labor Council, popularly known as NEDLAC, which commenced in April 2022, the NEDLAC report on the labor law reform process, NEDLAC report, has been published. Right? The report, which documents the proposals made